Alright, so yesterday I bought a new Ego 21-inch select cut cordless mower at Lowe's, and I unboxed it last night. It got dark on me, but here we are. It's 7.5 amp hour battery and 550 watt charger is included. So what comes in the box, it comes out of the mower, the 7.5 amp hour battery, 550 watt charger, 3 extra blades, or actually 2 extra blades, and one's already on there. And then it has a little phone holder. The model number I got is LM2135SP, and it was $599 and $649 with tax. It's really easy to pull out of the box. You open up the handle and take some styrofoam off out of the battery compartment, unpack the battery, and you have to put the bag on the frame for the catcher. Here we are looking at the little phone holder, and it just clips onto the handle and has a couple zippers on there, and you can put your phone in there so you don't drop it out of your pocket, I guess. And we're going to check and see if this battery has any charge to it, and it's at 25 to 50%. It was at 25%, but 2 bars light up. So I'm going to put it on charge, and here's the initial charge. Took about an hour to get it to charge to 100%, and then I mowed with it, and this is what happened. Alright, for my initial mow, I'm not real happy. I got it charged up to 100%, and I got about 33 minutes of mow time. Now granted, I had the mower set low, and it's been a couple weeks since my yard's been mowed, and I used the self-propel at about a medium speed. And I didn't use the catcher, I used the mulching. I used the side catcher for a little bit, but it fell out twice, and I just threw it to the side and decided, since it had the mulching blade on it already, I just used the mulching blade. So I'm gonna let this charge up. I don't know if I need to let the battery cool down. It's red. We'll see. I'll go look at the instructions on that. But yeah, I didn't get my whole front yard done. It's not that big of a yard. I did do the side ditch, which I hardly ever do, and it was tall. So I'm going to give it a little slack on that. But yeah, my initial thing is for $650. I probably should have bought a gas lawnmower. The battery was hot, and it took about an hour to get it to stop blinking red. So now we're charging again. And I guess when it charges up, I'll try out the headlamp and see if I can finish the front yard. I'm going to let this charge up and tell you how long it takes to fully charge. Alright, it's roughly been an hour since I put this on charge, so it's charged up. I'm going to put it in the lawnmower and go finish the front yard, and maybe do the backyard, see how far I get. But it's almost like 10 o'clock at night, so we'll see. Alright, it's getting late tonight, but here's the handle. Here's the startup procedure. Is you push this button and you pull this lever up, and it starts the mower. Okay, and here's your speed on your, oh, I forget that works, on your self-propelled. So you get your speed on your self-propelled, and even if you're not mowing, if the blades aren't spinning, you can still push that, and it will self-propel. The problem I found tonight with these buttons is they're so easy. You're just grabbing, and you forget to let them go. But with time, I'll learn that. All in all, the lawnmower worked pretty good. I charged it back up and finished the front yard and it still had all the bars on that light right there. And I came and did the backyard in the dark with the headlight on, and that's how much I have left. It's 1 bar is missing, so down to 4 bars on a full charge to do that. So technically, if I hadn't done all that tall grass in the ditch first, I probably could have done the whole front and backyard on 1 charge. And if I'd have done it during the day, then it would have done it without the headlight on. Here's the headlight right there. It's a pretty good headlight. It lights everything up there. But anyways, not a bad mower. I would definitely want to have another battery. I may get the weed eater, and if they go on sale for Father's Day, I might get the weed eater if it comes with a battery. And then that way I have 2 batteries and I can finish the yard, at least mow it, and do what little weed eating I probably would do. I'm not big on weed eaters, but if it's going to be an electric one, then I would probably do it more, because I just hate gas weed eaters. Let me know in the comments if you have one of these lawn mowers and what you think of them and how long you've had one. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.